Sanju Verma is on the debate, ladies and gentlemen. My God,
You
you
know,
think we'll
Arnab,
be quiet?
I think,
We'll be quiet?
Arnab, I think,
And to say Hindus should be united is a big, very wrong thing. But to say Muslim mob can go burn houses, burn cars, indulge in vandalism is perfectly all right.
You are to have said that.
Why should it be allowed?
Okay.
बात भी
Can
करी
I come
आपने
in now?
पीस की।
नागपुर को
एक बात
जलाने
भी
की
करी
कोशिश
आपने
हुई थी
पीस
कि
की।
नहीं हुई थी? शाहिद अली,
एक बात भी करी आपने
नागपुर
पीस
को
की।
जलाने की
शांति एक
कोशिश
बात
की
भी
कि
करी।
नहीं की फहीम
अरे
खान ने?
हिंदुस्तान को तुम्हारे बाप
Why
ने
did now watch your
आप
language?
हिंदुस्तान
शाहिद
को
टेक
करने
ऑफ
क्या
है,
चाह रहे हो?
निकालिए।
आप भारत को करने
ठीक
क्या
से
चाह रहे हो?
बात नहीं कर सकते हो तो निकल जाओ मेरे प्रोग्राम से। क्या बात कर रहे
आग
हैं?
लगाने को बैठे हो भारत
बात करने की तरीका
may I
होता
come
है।
in, please?
लाग लगाने को बैठे हो
What
भारत
Fahim
को।
Khan has done is condemnable, very wrong. And you should all condemn him. Now Sanju is on the debate. After that, I'll come to you, Tala. Sanju.
Thank you. You know, Arnab, first and foremost, let's get one thing very clear.
Hindu community.
27th February 2002, the Sabarmati Express was burnt with 59 car sevaks, including young children, burnt to death. The entire left liberal cabal, you call them the Lutyens, Lashkar cabal, I call them the Khan Market gang and the Aurangzeb Premi gang. इनके मुंह में दही जम गया. August 11th, 2012, the Azad Maidan riots in
law and order
Bombay, in
of the
Mumbai,
BJP
where
government,
women
of the
police
Fadnavis government, but she'll talk about 2002.
were heckled and molested.
This
पूरे
is
ecosystem
spokeswoman
के
of
मुंह में दही
BJP
जम
would talk
गया.
about
December 15th, 2019, the Shaheen Bagh riots and the entire left liberal cabal stood in solidarity with the Biryani Dadis and sang their praises. Then you had very recently, on 13th October, in Bahraich district of Uttar Pradesh, a young Ram Gopal Mishra killed simply because he was celebrating Durga Puja with gay abandon.
Yes, he was simply
Then
celebrating.
you have the Mao violence. The Mao violence of 9th March 2025. Simply because radical Islamists could not tolerate some Hindus celebrating India's victory in a cricket match. And then you have the Sambhal violence. How can I forget that? Going back to 24th November 2024, when the circle officer Anuj Chaudhary was shot at, and the entire left liberal cabal, इनके मुंह में तब भी दही जम गया था. And today coming back to 17th March 2025, the Nagpur violence. And who do these people blame? They are scared to call out the bluff of radical Islamist terror. They start blaming the VHP, the Bajrang Dal and the RSS. The VHP, Bajrang Dal and RSS did not make any incendiary statements, did not make any provocative statements. हिम्मत है तो फाहिम खान जैसे लोगों को you call them out, name them and shame them. But this man Tala Rashidi on the other side of the panel, he is never going to call out the bluff of his Jamaat. Because as Baba Saheb Ambedkar said, Islam is a closed corporation. They only believe in one thing, allegiance to their faith. Loyalty to the country comes second or maybe last. There is nothing called universal brotherhood within the throes of radical Islam.
1 minute, please.
Failure
1
of
minute.
the state government.
Tala.
She won't talk about the failure of the state government. फडणवीस जी का गिरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है नागपुर, वहां पे इनका इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर है, इनका एलआईयू फेल, इनकी गवर्नमेंट फेल, इनका लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फेल. बट ये जो मोहतरमा यहाँ बैठी इनको शर्म नहीं आती, इनके मुंह में दही जम जाती है, इनके मुंह में दही जम जाती है. ये एक लफ्ज नहीं बोल पाती अपनी गवर्नमेंट के बारे में कि इनकी गवर्नमेंट का फेलियर है. इन्हें देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए कि मुख्यमंत्री के गिरा जनपद में भी ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाई. ये जो प्रवक्ता है संजू को यहाँ पे देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए. देश से संजू आपको देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए. You should be shameful. You should apologize to the country. You should apologize to the people of
I have a
Maharashtra.
question.
That your